Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer utility accounts using PG&E transfer checklist detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the PG&E website. Log into your account using your registered username and password. Navigate to the Account Management section. Select the option for transferring your utility service. Enter your current service address and the address where you want to transfer your service. Provide the transfer date when you need the service to be effective. Review any outstanding balances or payments associated with your current account. Make sure to address any pending issues before proceeding. Follow the prompts to confirm your new service address details. Indicate whether you would like to maintain the same service plan or choose a different one. Review the terms and conditions related to the transfer of service. Submit your transfer request once you have confirmed all information is correct. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email from PG&E, which will include details of your transfer. If you don't receive confirmation within a few hours, check your spam folder. If the email is not found, consider calling PG&E for assistance. Be aware that transferring your service may require a small processing fee. Once your service is successfully transferred, check your new account for updates. Once your previous utility account is closed, ensure to download any needed documents for your records. Remember to update your payment information if there are any changes to your billing method. Stay informed about any promotional offers or changes to your service plan after the transfer is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.